day. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
The feng shui of this room is really giving me bad vibes, you know?
Bad vibes?
Yeah.
Are you really, what's
don't
wrong?
like
It's perfectly
I
fine.
don't like it.
Why don't you like it? What's wrong? There's literally,
just
look how nice it looks.
Off.
You look off. What are you talking about?
I look off.
The room's perfectly fine. Look at that. Look at those seals.
I say we move this.
Well, where do you want to move it?
Over there.
But there's already another chair over
Yeah, but just come on. We move the chair, alright?
Alright. Come on. Nope. Pivot. Come on. Push. Pivot. Ah.
You want to be nicer to people.
What are you talking about? Oh man, I really wish there was a day where people could be nice to one another.
I figured today is Kindness Day, so why not greet somebody and say hello and a compliment?
You're so cute that even if you were cloned, you'd still be the better looking one.
I do know what Kindness Day is. It's a day that we all should think about each other's feelings and go out of our way to take a moment and be kind to one another, whether we're friends with each other or not.
George, come on, baby. Baby, sweetie, your hat looks very good. I really like your hair color.
I really like your haircut.
Thank you.
How you doing? You want to be on Wake West Babylon? I like your shirt today. It's very nice purple. It's Kindness Day. Do you know how inspiring your music is to this cafeteria? Is it? Yes, it is very, very inspiring to everyone here.
Do you know what today is?
Thursday? Yeah.
It's also Kindness Day. I commend you for being the healthy person that I know you are.
I like your shirt, and I like your shirt.
You're actually the best stage manager named Kayla that I've ever had.
Wow, that's really a really nice compliment. Oh.
Thank you.
I'm loving the hair, man. I'm loving it.
Thank you, man. Bro, you got amazing eyes.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. He's rocking out that John Lennon hairstyle.
Let me do this. You interview. All right. Do you know what Kindness Day is?
Yes.
What is it?
When you're kind to people, except for John.
And what have you done to be kind to others?
I will give you the rest of my apple.
That's very nice.
Bro, she already been into that.
Your smile proves that the best things in life are free.
Katie, you're very talented. Thank you. And you deserve the whole world. I love you. I love you too, Happy Kindness Day. Thank you.
I really like your hairstyle.
Thank you so much. I really like your sweater.
Oh, thank you.
You know how kind you are?
I mean, I like to think I'm pretty kind. People say you're pretty kind. Do they? Yes. That's good.
Your pretty eyes. Thank you. You too. I love you.
Yes.
You too. Stay in school, kids.
Everyone's beautiful, and let's treat everyone equally because everyone deserves equal treatment. And yeah, that's on period.
People really love you.
Thank you.
Guess what day it is?
What day is it? Kindness Day. Oh my gosh, it's Kindness Day today.
You're the best teacher of all time.
Of all time.
Of all time. Out of anyone in this school, anyone in the universe.
Dr. Masal wants rigatoni. He wants some rigatoni.
Wait, is this actually?
Take
So this.
John! Your glasses are a very nice attachment to your face.
Aren't they?
She comes over all the time and she's pretty.
Seen to play with you, all these movie stars. I'm gonna have to be asking for your autograph soon.
You're a great nurse.
Aw, thank you. You're great students.
Why can't we order food to the school? That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know.
Your hair looks very nice today.
Little. Oh! Oh my God! Yes! 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 I love your hairstyle. Hey! Hey, guess what day it is?
Oh, birthday, what's up with it?
Okay, but your eyes are so blue and it makes me jealous.
You have a beautiful face and nice hair.
Thank you.
You know how much better the room looks now?
It's in the same spot, James. It's in the same.
But look at it. It was like here, but now it's like here, you know?
I really wish I knew what you were talking about.
So nice.
Hey.
What's up?
So, I'm trying to audition for a game show host, and I'm really working on it. So, can you guys help me out?
Sure. I'd love to help you out.
Hey, welcome to the game. I'm your host, Joseph Fucci. Who might you be, and tell me a little bit about yourself.
Me? I'm James Rossamengo. I live right here in West Babylon, New York, with my mom, of course. Hi, Mom! So, basically, I'm in the broadcast.
All right, I told you a little bit, so cut you off there. And who might you be?
Oh, and my name's Mr. Jones. I didn't watch any TV when I grew up. I just played the drums. Hi, drum set.
Introducing our trivia game. Now, would anyone want to pull a Wicked Wango card? Anyone?
What the heck is a Wicked Wango card?
Oh, well, a Wicked Wango card. See, it could determine higher or lower.
Higher or lower than what?
Would you like to pull a Wicked Wango card?
Oh my god! Just pull a Wicked Wango card! Pull it!
Alright.
It's pulled!
Good. Now, could you tell me who our third president of the United States is?
Thomas Jefferson?
Correct! You just scored yourself 5 points. Now, let's get on the Wheel of Doom.
The Wheel of Doom hasn't really done me much good tonight. But let's do it.
All right.
What is it already?
Can anyone guess this main theme song from a show on Nickelodeon?
You should have used the time turtle already.
I know it. Victorious!
Yeah!
Ryan, you have the chance to pull a Google card. Would you like to pull a Google card?
Yes. No. Yes. No. Google.
All right. Do you know what's going on around the school?
The National Honor Society is more than an honor roll. The Honor Society establishes rules for membership that are based upon a student's outstanding performance in the areas of scholarship, leadership, character, and service.
Several students have lost a parent or have uncertain housing, and they are stronger than I ever was at their age. Yet they still managed to maintain the grades and service necessary to be here as part of this elite group. I am so impressed with you, and I can't wait to see where you guys will go.
In the city, on the streets where once was pity, Mr. Blue, tired of living here today. Hey, Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long.
Yes, I wish that I could be here. It's like my mind has gone to waste. 'Cause
watched Zoe 101?
No.
You know the one with
I've never
Britney
watched
Spears'
Zoe 101.
little sister?
Who's at the door?
It's ungodly hours. Man, could possibly be it. I think you should open the door.
Go for it.
You!
Me?
I need to talk to you.
What did I do?
What's going on?
Nothing. Jump. We're going this way.
Whoa. What's
I don't even want to look at you right now.
What?
James,
What?
You filmed a segment with another person.
We were on a break.
I cannot believe.
What do you think they're arguing about? I don't know. It looks like they're really mad.
I heard something about a segment.
We said that maybe we should work with other people. That does not mean that you go off and run with what was shown there and run.
It was one segment, okay?
One segment.
One
segment
Yes,
that meant everything. What segment was it? What segment was it?
I don't think he did it.
Who did what?
What did you choose?
James.
What did he do?
He cheated on Mark.
On the line for? Which segment did you put on the line for? Answer me!
I can't, it's too much.
Too much?
Did you work with other people?
No! I stayed faithful to you! I didn't care if we were on a break or whatever.
I heard something about kindness. What kindness? They're yelling at each other. It's not kindness day. You ain't kindness. This ain't kindness.
I loved you.
Yes, so did I.
I got Premiere Pro just so we could edit together, and then... Where did you come from? Who is this? Another... Darren? You're doing this with Darren too? What are you even talking about?
Giving thanks with Darren.
Thank you.
That's been Giving Thanks with Darren.
10 seconds? 10 seconds and it meant everything.
I'm gonna go and film a Black Friday segment. I got Target.
Joe, it's 10 o'clock. It's dark out, Joe.
I can do it.
They're not open.
I'm sure they're open.
Leave! Just leave! Like everyone else left. He's not gonna film anything. It's 10 o'clock. James, we have to...
Why is it him?
I don't have the keys to the car.
Walk. No, don't give him the keys. Walk.
Listen. You want to know what we all need?
What?
A nice home video, okay? I rented one. Let's go watch it.
I like that idea.
Stay away from me.
I kind of like that idea, though.
Well, what do you guys want to do? We can watch TV. I mean, that music video we just watched, that was superb. I mean, look at the amount of effort they put into that one. That right there. Look at that.
Oh, you guys! Guess what I got at Staples?
Get at Staples, Joe.
A board!
Out of all the places you could have gone to get a discount, you went to Staples?
Well, it was the closest.
Store? It was the closest store?
Yeah.
You picked Staples?
Yeah.
They got great deals.
I'm sorry, James, are you talking or are you making segments with other people?
Mark, one segment it was.
Hey, guys. Why don't we play Pictionary? Let's do it. Let's have fun. You know?
Alright, Ryan, I'm counting on you. You have the best brain. Alright, ready? Here we go. You know, you tell me I have the best brain, then you stand in my way. Hey, there we go. Okay, here we go. Drawing something. Come on. Draw your guesses, James. Draw on the scene too.
It's a guy.
Yes, it's a guy. Yes. Come on, keep it coming. I need better hints. Give me better hints. I think it's James. Oh. Making a segment with someone else. No one wins.
Alright, guys, so I'm counting on you. Alright.
Circle.
Another guy.
You're not in this. This is taking too long. How much time do we have? We got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Done. Let's see. What time?
What is it?
Oh, it's Mr. Jones!
Thank you! Now I know my drawing's not bad.
Glad you asked. I am a big fan of the design, but I was not a big fan of the tug of war. Okay? Basically, I think the main thing that led to the Cybertruck winning the force of the tug of war is simply because that truck was much heavier. Let me tell you why. The force of friction between the tires and the ground is what ultimately led the Cybertruck to pull the Ford F-150. The force of friction is based on two things. One, Greek letter mu. That is the number that stands for the coefficient of friction. It basically depends on the materials that are involved. But for both trucks, it was rubber on concrete. But the force of friction is also based upon how hard the surfaces are pushing together. Go like this, very lightly. You feel a little friction. Push harder, you get more friction, right? So my argument, that's called the normal force. As the normal force increases, for a truck, as the truck's weight increases, the normal force increases. And I would argue that the Cybertruck, and I don't know the actual numbers because I didn't even try to find them online, but I would argue that the Cybertruck has a significantly higher weight and therefore a significantly higher normal force, leading to a significantly higher friction force than the other truck. So I think it was an unfair test. I think we should take two trucks that are roughly the same weight, or at least put something in the bed of the truck to make them the same weight. If we're going to use four-wheel drive, we should have both cars using four-wheel drive, and we should do an honest test. That's what I would say. But as far as the design goes, because that's what I heard the most negativity about in my class, I think it looks sharp. I don't want to talk about the windows breaking either. I think they'll fix that by the time the truck rolls out.